Okay, okay, y'all. We got Tyra in this bitch. The sun. Oh, y'all so cute. We got Tyra, and we got Brett. We got Brittany. Bitch, the sun. There you go.
Is it going?
Yes, you're glowing. Ooh, look at that highlights. All right, y'all. We at the trail.
Makeup to go hiking.
Right.
Me?
This fucking.
You put a highlight on too?
Hell
Oh, you
yeah.
shining, baby.
This.
Okay, y'all. So we going hiking today. And this is the first time we're going. I've been wanting to go. Me and Brittany wanted to go, but you know, Tyra had to tag along. No, I did not.
What the tag along?
Tag along. You wanted to tag along?
No, the fuck I didn't, bitch.
Yeah,
you told
did.
me to come.
No. Anyway, yeah, we was planning to go at like 8:30, but shit, you know, came up, man. You know, black people. Black people.
We running on D time.
Anyway, yeah, so we going hiking for the first time. Let's see how we go. Okay. Yeah. We just walking. Ooh, look at the scenery.
I look disfigured.
Camera ass.
Y'all so unenthusiastic. Like,
It's hot. And I ain't seen nothing fun yet, so I'm not enthusiastic.
I don't
Okay.
know how to boat, so it's not even open.
Where we at? Where we going? Tyra look
I'm gonna
cute.
climb
Her
up
butt
it.
is so fat. You're gonna climb where? She can't help herself. I'm recording. Oh, it's loose. Please don't fall.
I'm gonna just sit right here.
You want to take pictures? That's
Yeah.
cute. How you going? I'm not going. Despacito.
There you
Hey.
go. Where we going?
Everywhere.
Turn it, please. Don't be that cinematic ass bitch. But
Cheers.
she about to take her fucking shirt off. Look at her. Where we going?
I'll fucking rip your face off, bitch.
Look at the little turtle.
I'll do a little.
This is nice. I would take pictures. You see? Look.
Yo, this is the trail we picking. We picking this one all up in there.
This
Yeah. All right. Okay. Y'all don't be lazy.
is a lot.
Well, it's an incline, but okay. Well, I'll see y'all when one of us die. Okay, bye. We trying to go all the way up so I can see on top, take
Like
pictures.
we're going down.
You know, do you think they both lead up though?
I don't know. What if it'd be crazy if that one led up, wouldn't it?
It would.
We'll see. We'll walk.
Okay. You should have brought your taser.
That's in my mom's car.
It doesn't even matter like humans.
It's
I'm saying
animals.
animals. Yeah. Yeah, let's get a stick. Oh no, you have to step on this.
Go ahead, YouTubers B&D out here.
Oh, you only broke that part?
Oh,
That's very long.
Look at this. Girl Scout. We making a fire too while we out here?
Yeah.
I'm hot and irritated.
Hot. You irritated?
Yeah.
Why you irritated?
Hot and irritated.
Okay.
Oh!
That cake is.
She's hating.
Got my stick.
We're going on a trip in our favorite
I
rocket
didn't
ship.
put no Snapchats up.
They got a train!
The choo-choo train come up too.
Nuh-uh, you lying.
Oh my god!
It's on the track. It's probably on the
No,
track.
Yeah, it is. It cannot go up here. It'll
Guys,
fall.
they have a train. I can't even like zoom in.
Hold it up, ceramic.
No, the water bottle was rolling. My face is so broken out. My chest look big. My chest look big. In the camera, like I got chest.
We're gonna do a throwback Thursday of D.
Back in the day, little throwback pictures of D. How she
was-
used to look.
I ain't gonna spoil it, but this
Wasn't all that. It was something different.
We really don't even know where we're going. Look, somebody took the shit off. Like, we can't even.
But they have markings on the trees. That's my issue.
Bro, these this shit don't even mean nothing.
You want to go that way?
We don't
The
know what it
markings
means.
do mean
We
like
can
that's
split.
where that's how you find.
Huh?
Split.
Split what?
Not up, but like
Oh.
split. Left, right, straight.
Okay, well, straight.
I look fat. It's okay.
That's why you gotta hold it up
Trying
here.
to lose weight.
See, if you hold it up here, look at you.
All right, my teeth look straight. We don't
There's too
have
many
no
bugs.
map. Right, it might be
Gimme.
ticks.
You don't think GPS could get us out of here?
We don't got no service, right?
Where are you calling?
Come on.
Where we got?
Mom? Yeah. I just want you to know G got me in the wilderness, so if you don't see me later.
Mom?
Y'all about to get eaten by a bear. How many of y'all?
3?
Watch out for them bears.
There is no bears. What? Your phone? What are you talking about?
My phone.
Oh, shoot.
Where would you put your phone down?
I gave it to one of y'all.
No, you didn't.
I gave it to you.
In the
We were at
bathroom when she gave back. All right, Mom. We'll call you back. Hold on.
Okay, bye.
Now I'm sad. Call it.
I got you.
Let me tell y'all how we had to go all the way back down because this motherfucker dropped her phone. Bro, she got to find my iPhone on that thing. We played this and we had to go. Oh, we were really far too. I'm mad as hell. Look how close we are now.
Lost my phone.
Yeah, shut the fuck up. You know,
I dropped it like.
I'm mad as shit. Well,
That's the thumbnail. Wait.
hey man, what time is it? 1:36. We got here at like 10:45. We've been walking. We trying to find the top, but we just keep going. We found a bridge. Hopefully this leads to the top. You got Brittany?
Hey.
Brett, you
it's
tired?
me.
Are you
It's
tired?
Brittany from D&D. My stomach is gonna be super flat.
What's the orange for? What's those orange marks on the trees?
Oh, the two trails.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So they're just like the different colors are different trails.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, he got a color on
See,
there.
he has his color.
Well, I've been doing this for,
Yeah.
but
So you do this like how often?
see the marker?
Oh,
About twice a week.
twice a week. Oh, that's. Oh yeah. That's it. This random guy was like, "Where y'all want to go?" Yep. We just found it. We going upstairs now. I'm trying not to fall at the same time. Yeah.
Oh my God.
So I hate to ask you this, but like, do you play basketball? Well, I teach at Colorado in the hallway. See, this is where she wanted to go.
Wow.
That's why I said her dad said you can't go there.
Oh, look at the stream from right here.
Daddy, can we go to the edge? No. we should go
Absolutely
out.
not.
Wow, this is crazy. Oh, this is cool as hell.
I love this. Yeah.
Ty! Lucky my foot was right there.
Right. It would
Most of all, I just wanna mean the most to you. Most of all, baby, I'm just trying to grow with you. I just wanna go with you. 'Cause you bring so much hope to the picture. Some of us do find the one to.
I mean, it's really good. It's really fun. Bring people though, so you have
Right.
company.
Don't come by yourself. I mean,
Yeah.
you can, but
Yeah.
it's not somewhere new like this. Come with
Yeah.
people,
Especially if you don't know what you're doing.
especially for the memories.
Yeah, we
I
just.
lost my phone today. I gave it to one of y'all.
No, you didn't.
I and found it.
But we all good. We, you know, keep your locations on with your friends at all times. Tyra just fell, dog. Tyra really fell. How Tyra just falling in? Tyra butt wet and everything. She probably salty as hell. Oh no. Oh! 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 Oh!
It definitely caught that. We don't fucking die. I hurt my arm trying to catch myself. These worms on me. Get out the water. They probably parasite. Yeah, I'm cleaning myself. Oh no, it's from the algae.
Don't get no infection.
As long as you got no open cut. Don't step on no wet rock. That's why I took it slow. No! I don't know if it's getting it.
I should have went this way, my dumb ass.
Yeah.
Is she wet so much?
The wetness, I'm not crazy wet like y'all. I'm gonna just take a seat.
I'm ready to go. No. Y'all see the bullshit that just happened? Oh, these are not traction shoes.
Your whole foot went in there.
Both my feet went in there and my butt.
Your ass went in. My hand just touched it.
Oh, someone's smoking weed down here too. They got Dutchess. Huh? I am. Brittany care about me, y'all. Low key. Even though she call me ugly all the time, she care about me. Oh, shit, you got it, D. Holding my hand. She care about me a little bit. Just a little bit. It's cool, it's cool. That's so cool. Tired like shit. I'm gonna get a sweaty armpit all on my shirt and shit. Look at Britt though. Britt, please don't fall. Don't fall.
I'm not gonna go right like
Don't go to the edge, bitch.
first before I go over there.
Oh, imagine this fall.
Ty.
It's on. I don't know.
What if I told you you're like the bullets in my holster? Dangerous, but I wanna hold you back. You're there when I go through the motions.
We made it! Oh my god. That shit. We finally done. We made it. A bitch is tired.
So my legs just going everywhere.
That's how it feel. We feel floppy as hell.
It was so successful. I'm proud.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, my bank account. Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to gun you down.
Make sure you put in practice safe drive and don't sit there and eat Chipotle and drive.
Hey. Oh my god, this freaking music. Copyright. Hey y'all. We about to take a road trip.
I'm about to go wash clothes.
No, if we take a road trip, I'm not driving though.
What? Driving.
I'm not
it's
driving.
a take turns type thing.
Okay, you driving too then?
Yeah. Like if I was going to road trip, I drive. Like that's inconsiderate if we all got a license and
I'm driving the last 30 minutes.
see, alright, I'll drive. I'll take night. D always up early in the morning.
Yeah.
She
That's
got
true.
the-
I'm like a morning person. Nah, someone needs to be up with you so you don't doze off. Too.
I sing to myself to keep myself awake. That's what I was doing when Tyra over here kind of sleeping.
I was asleep.
I'm like,
The thing is, I heard you humming, I just ignored it. I was like, what the fuck is she doing?
Alright, yo, for real. Alright,
Alright.
it's me and Britt.
D&D out with the featuring of Ty Boogie.
That's Ty Boogie with the
With
shit.
no hoodie.
See y'all next time.
Sniper gang. Like this little beat right here. Yeah, this is a nice little beat.